Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best ultra hiking shoes you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many ultra hiking shoes and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each ultra hiking shoes so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying ultra hiking shoes. First, focus on the fit and comfort since ultra shoes are known for their foot-shaped toe box, which allows natural toe movement and prevents blisters. Next, check the cushioning level that matches your hiking style. Some models offer maximal cushioning for long trails, while others provide a firmer feel for better ground contact. Also, consider the outsole traction, because good grip ensures safety on wet or rocky surfaces. Another factor is the shoe's weight and breathability, which affect endurance and comfort on longer hikes. Finally, look into durability and waterproofing features to ensure they withstand changing conditions. Keeping these factors in mind helps you find the right ultra hiking shoes for your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.